Let's make this easy but very healthy ademe or ayoyo soup with a little bit of okra. It is actually very easy to put together. So I have with me here my cooking pot. I'm just going to show you the quantity of okra I'm going to use. This is the quantity, and I'm just going to pour that in my cooking pot and then we start the cooking. I have added a little bit of water to that, and I'm just going to allow it to be on fire for some time. Okay, I've added my salt, and you can decide not to add salt to it at this point. Okay, yes, so we are going to leave it on fire and I will be with you shortly. Thank you so much for clicking on the video today. My name is Lena and we share easy recipes here, so please do well to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free, they don't take money. Okay, yeah, thank you so much for doing that. I added a little bit of baking soda to it. Okay, about quarter teaspoon of that. Now I've added some onions and then ginger. We are just going to give it a stir and then we can proceed. The reason I added the baking soda is we just want to activate the sliminess, because the one going to enjoy this want it slimy. Okay, yes, so if you don't want it slimy, just stay away from the baking soda, or if you want to use the akanwa, you can go ahead and then do so. Now I've added my ayoyo leaves. I got that from my garden yesterday and I prepared it and put it in the freezer, so I decided to use it today, okay, or the next day. Now I'm just going to add fresh one to it again that I just got from the backyard, and we are going to add another leaves which most of us may not be familiar with it. So it is called buma. It is called buma. Okay, we use it to prepare okra soup in my area. Okay, in the Volta region. Okay, we eat boma, and the Togo people also eat boma. It is actually garden eggs leaves. Okay, there is I don't know how to describe it to you, but if you are fancy, it is in tropo. Okay, the one we call in tropo, but that it looks round. We have two types. One has this as in kase ewechiri, okay, and the other one doesn't have it. Okay, the one that does not have, that is the boma. Yeah, sometimes too the one that they eat, it has the nkase at the back. I don't know how to describe or explain it to you. So that is boma, but I think the Nigerians also eat that. Okay, yeah, I think they eat that as well, the garden eggs leaves. That is what I've added to it. I've given it a stir. I've added my pepper to it, my salt, everything that will add taste to the soup. I've added that to it. Okay, now I added the pepper to it at this point, because when you add the pepper to it late, it is going to deactivate the sliminess. So you make sure you add your pepper to your okra early, and that will not deactivate the sliminess. That is why when you are preparing okra stew, okay, immediately you add your stew to it, it deactivates the sliminess. It is just because of the tomatoes and then the pepper. So just know that pepper and tomatoes deactivates the sliminess of okra. Okay, yes. Now this is how it looks now after some few minutes. Remember, we want it slimy but not too slimy. At this moment it tastes so good, and oh my goodness, I prefer enjoying it this way without the oil, but we are just going to add a little bit of oil to it. I have with me here my wele and then my tuna. I have some pepper, I have some ginger, garlic, onion. There's no pepper in there. Okay, remember I told you earlier that we don't want to add the pepper to it late. So now we are just going to cook this for some time or steam it for some time. I did not add anything salt to this. Yes. Now after that, I've added my oil. Okay, I fried it very well before adding it to it. It's machi and gonna so and I made it so. So what I see. Before giving it a stir, and this is how it looks. This is not okra stew. Okay, there's no tomatoes. It is not okra stew, but there are so many ways you can prepare okra soup. So this is not okra stew. This is actually ayoyo soup, but we just want to add a little bit of okra, and we did. Okay, yeah. Now this has cooked very well and it tastes so good. I'll go ahead and then add my ademe and then the okra, and just look at that, absolutely delicious. I am just trying or testing my new tripod stand and then my lighting system. So in case you do not like today's video quality, please pardon me for that. Okay, yes, I'm still working on that. That is just by the way. Maybe it is my eye, I am not seeing it well. Yeah, so now this is how the soup is looking. As soon as you add that to the distance, the fish and the other ingredients, you just don't have to waste more time on that. And I intentionally prepared this with less oil. Anyhow you want to prepare yours, you can go ahead and then do so, or try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.